Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we're going to be continuing R2-D2 with issue 17. We have our parts here, not too much. I think it's going to be yet another short video in the R2 series, but let's open her up and let's see what we got. And here are the parts we get with this issue, as expected. Not going to be a very long issue. We've got another dome frame piece, what they call an infrared cable, and a motor cable. We're not actually going to be doing anything with these cables for now, so we'll just set those to the side. You will need 2 more long silver screws, 2 nuts, and the dome frame from previous issues. To get started, just take a look at the lowest dome frame piece that we assembled in the last issue. And this is just going to go right next to it. So let's line it up. Looks like, yeah, the section of the dome frame that's got 3 holes in it is going to go towards the bottom. So it's going to orient much like this. Okay, and when you do, yeah, there are 2 posts on it right here. And you've got a section of 4 holes here. Those 2 posts are going to go into those center holes, and that will help keep it lined up. Nuts go in on the bottom, screws from the top. And there you have it. The next section of dome is completed. And that is it for stage 17. And there you go, one more issue of R2-D2 complete. The dome is absolutely looking wonderful. We're taking our time, going one piece at a time, but we will get there. I can't wait. I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.